Hi, Kris Hanna, Mayor of Marion at the Nari Reserve in Shardo Park. I've just planted a tree, which is the first of 700 which we've obtained through a Commonwealth Government grant. Very grateful for it. It's actually part of a celebration of Queen Elizabeth II's Platinum Jubilee year, 70 years of her reign. And there's a special fund provided to councils like Marion Council for good projects like planting trees on this reserve. In fact, Nari Reserve, which you can see as you drive past Lonsdale Highway, was just a bare paddock not much more than 6 years ago. But volunteers have been helping Marion Council plant many hundreds of trees on the reserve, and now it's a beautiful place to go for a walk, for kids to play and for people to walk the dog. So we're celebrating not only Queen Elizabeth II and her 70 years reign, but also a wonderful outcome on Nari Reserve at Shardo Park, a beautiful green part of the city of Marion.